Ever wondered what to plant each month for a thriving garden? Well, seasonal gardening is your answer. It's all about understanding nature's rhythm, planting the right plants at the right time. So, are you ready? Let's dig into the monthly guide of what to plant for a flourishing garden all year round. Starting with January, it's the perfect time to plant cabbages, broccoli, and leeks. These hardy vegetables thrive in cooler climates and offer a wealth of nutrients. As we move into March, consider adding radishes and peas to your garden. Remember, early year planting sets the stage for a fruitful harvest later. As we move into spring, April to June, consider planting leafy greens, peas, and radishes. These thrive in the cool, moist conditions, offering fresh produce and a vibrant color palette. These spring plantings will bring vibrant colors and fresh produce to your garden. Summertime from July to September is ideal for planting heat-loving flora. Plants like sunflowers, marigolds, and tomatoes thrive, their resilience and vibrancy adding a touch of magic to every garden. These summer plantings will ensure your garden remains lively and productive. As the year winds down, from October to December, it's time to plant hardy species like kale, beets, and winter squash. These vibrant plants not only withstand cooler temperatures, but also add a splash of color to your garden. These end-of-the-year plantings will keep your garden thriving even in cooler weather. There you have it, your month-by-month planting guide. Remember, the secret to a thriving garden lies in understanding the rhythm of the seasons. Tailoring your planting times to your specific location and climate will ensure your blooms and harvests are always at their best. So, let nature be your guide and your garden will thank you for it. If you found this guide helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!